Okay guys, welcome back. This is a quick intro to MASH. I've just created a little cube here, and MASH, M-A-S-H, just like the TV show. Here it is, MASH tab. Click on the little MASH tool on the far left, and it creates a little distribution, about 9 or 10 of them. Looks like it's created 10. Go to distribute here, and we'll just change that to grid. And I'm going to up the distance. Say I'll go 40 by 40 in the X and Z, and X and Z I'll go 40 as well, not in the Y. I'm not worried about the height, just the left and right, X and Z. Next up, what we want to do is, so we've got that, great. So let's click on it. We'll come back to our MASH tab. This time we're interested in introducing offset, this one here. Add that node, and if you say I'll take it up to say 1 in the Y, and you'll notice we got strength. The one we're interested in is strength map. Okay, by clicking this you can actually introduce some pretty interesting things, like for example I'll just introduce fractal. There we go, it creates a little fractal pattern. Okay, alright, or I'll just undo that one. I'll go again in the strength map. This time I'm going to click on File, right click File, and go Create as Projection. Now if you go R for scale, but first you better click on the texture over here, Place 3D Texture, Scale, and just scale that up until it sits around it nicely, and then rotate it up into, so it's sitting above it at about, minus 90 in the X, like that. Now think of this just like UV unwrapping or UV mapping. So now I can come in and I can actually add what's called a visibility node, and in the visibility map node, under the map strength map, we'll go again. This time we'll go File and search for, say, an image. I'll just look through my images and I'll go with, say, a logo. This one, that'll do. It has to have really high contrast. There we go. So it's a really neat way of applying a effect for a logo, etc., or a pattern. And by the way, if you come down to effects, you can invert that if you wanted to. Alright, cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching.